Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to disable Quick Launch button in your OnePlus Nord 2 5G. First step, open Settings and find Convenience Tools, this one. Click, and here I need to go into Power button. So click it, and here we got two options. So first option will be open camera, double click to Power button and press and hold the power key. So first option open, and for turn off this option click NA and click back, it's safe automatically. And this option we can't turn off, so need to choose, for example, power menu or voice assistant option, and for saving click back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.